to do, and then you will see. And we designed and built all this ourselves. So a lot of the material that also goes in is what's called flux, and that flux material is a different mix of chemicals, powders, boric acids, and such things that basically attracts all of the contaminants that you don't want from the gold and the silver and things like that. So, and this stuff is hot. So somewhere close to, for silver, it'll be somewhere close to about 1800 degrees, and for gold, it'll be almost 2000 degrees Fahrenheit. And these guys, for us, they mean they'll basically be cooking all day. They'll basically be mixing all day. And if I had my way, a few months from now, it'll be running 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year. So if you don't know, now you know that this is how the whole silver process is done. Everything from your coins to your technology to your medical devices to your jewelry, this is where it all starts. And sometimes you can hear me say things like, I would touch that silver before anybody else in the world touches it. I would touch that gold before anybody else. As you can see now, I have full control over it before anybody else touches it. It doesn't matter how important this person is to the United States. It doesn't matter how important this person is to the world. They will not touch it before me. They have no control over it. And this is something that I'm wanting to redo with the hybrid. Yeah, yeah. ¿Con qué la corita, Miguel?
¿Ah?
¿Con qué la corita?
¿Con qué una qué?
La varilla.
Ah, con la varilla. Ah, pero así sale más fácil. ¿La voy a sacar?
So Dr. Hawkins, as I said before, don't worry about how this bar look. It will go through a refining process. It just went through a smelting process to basically break it away from all the major contaminants. We will take it through a refining process where it will go to the fineness as much as you need, either 99.9 or 99.99. And as you can see, I can barely turn it over. I think that this particular bar, we did this demonstration for you, so it doesn't quite reach the 22 kilograms, but it's almost there. It's pretty heavy